This Mesquite ISD instructional technology microlearning app is designed to deliver valuable and timely training presented in a format that fits your availability. Lessons focus on the needs of the educator with ideas that can be implemented immediately, and most of them can be completed in under 5 minutes. To get started, use the buttons at the bottom of this app to scroll through the latest content. See a list of currently available microlearning topics, or make a suggestion for a new lesson. Keep checking this app as we continue to develop new lessons, content, and additional features. You have a choice. You can simply view what is presented in this app, or you can take your learning to the next level by sharing what you have learned and how it has impacted what you do. Those who share what they have learned will be awarded a digital badge especially designed for the series, which they can display. Within each series, you will find instructions for how you can submit your learning and receive your badge.